Floor 5. Door open.
Thank you.
Go have a good one.
You gonna come?
No, we were just riding.
Oh,
Thank
okay.
you, appreciate it.
Yeah. What's on now with the people in here, but it's kind of interesting. This is actually a talking Schindler
I
3300.
know. And I don't recognize that voice on Schindler.
There we go. So, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so this is room 502 at the Hilton Garden Inn in Raleigh Triangle Town Center. And we're 502, and I've got Hilton's digital key technology.
Hey, how about that?
Always like the digital key, so let's see if it works here.
Hey.
Here we go. That was actually pretty quick too.
First impressions, right?
Yeah, we hadn't even come in to turn the lights on yet, so I'll go ahead and let the door close. And turn the lights on.
Okay, yep. There we go. We need the lights over here.
Yep.
Oh yeah, this will be a nice room for you and
one
Papa.
king standard room.
Yeah, this would be a nice room for you and Papa.
Yeah. Yeah, like I say, it's still a pretty good size. Like I say, you know, even over here, I like how the of course this is a king, but I do like how the bed is not you know, right up to the wall either. You know, that's always nice.
Exactly. I always like that. Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
They're
I mean,
creative
you got
with the towels.
I mean, this you got plenty of room to walk around in here.
Yeah.
So you got a very nice king size bed.
Mhm.
Feels like it's gonna be very comfortable tonight.
Yeah. You got an Easter basket from the staff.
Yep. Nice chair here with this little handle that you pull out. The chair is on wheels, so you can roll it around.
Yeah.
You have a nice big desk here with the nice lamp over there, as well as all of the Hilton Garden Inn stuff, materials. You have a drawer here.
Oh. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
there's nothing in there. That's just a storage drawer for you to use. So, yeah. And
A lot of good stuff in there.
yeah, and then let's see what else we got in here. We got the nightstands over here.
Alrighty, let's go do the bathroom. 'Cause we,
Yeah.
we kind of got off track coming in with no lights.
Yeah, because we usually do come in and do lights.
Yeah.
But here's the bathroom.
Nice.
Nice bathroom.
I like that shower head.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Nice lights.
Yep.
And there's the toilet.
Yeah, let's see. Do we want to do the toilet
Yeah.
flush?
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Good job. Nice. And then you got the microwave.
Yeah, now this is a micro fridge, microwave and mini fridge. Everything's looking really good here.
Nice and clean.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I don't see any sign of any cleanliness issues.
Alrighty.
You got
Okay.
plenty of storage in here,
And the hair
so
dryers on the back of the door.
yeah.
Okay, you want to do the fire map and all that?
Yeah, that's usually how we start out too, but we do have a deadbolt up there, the latch lock up there, and the deadbolt down here, as well as a clearly readable fire map. And you can see this is the layout. It's just a simple hotel, you know, one corridor, rooms on either side, and we're on the 5th floor on the end.
How about that? All right.
This is the elevator at the Fairfield Inn, Raleigh, North Carolina, at Triangle Town Center. Yep.
I forgot about that.
Here it is.
Rear door opening. Rear door closing. Door opening.
Okay, which one do you want to?
Door
Five.
closing. Floor 5. Door opening. Door closing.
I'm not gonna push one on because I already had the chance to see it.
Yeah.
It's an interesting cap configuration now, how the rear door is over here.
I'll get that in just a minute with the numbers. I'll get the numbers first. Well, I actually got it when we came in.
Floor
So-
1.
Yeah, I don't recognize that voice for Schindler.
Door opening.
Yeah, I didn't push one on since
That's
I had the
fine.
chance to see
Yeah.
it.
Door closing.
And we'll end it too.
Alrighty.
Floor 2.
Yeah, I think they must have turned off the
Yeah.
floor passing channels.
Door opening. Door closing.
And that's it.